Hi, I'm Erin, co-founder of JIE Cleaning Services. Many of you had liaised with me before, but this is the very first time we meet, thanks to HeyJaGa. JIE strives for the best customer service and our staff welfare. Therefore, we'll respond and make arrangements as soon as we receive your request via HeyJaGa. HeyJaGa provides us with a path to grow faster and better than we ever wished. Being part of the JIE partner, we embark into a new milestone, the world of technology. HeyJaGa reaches out to a huge number of users, which gives us the opportunity to grow together. Oh, I think there is a booking request. Let me see. David wants to book this Saturday 2 to 6 p.m. Let me see who's available. Okay, great. I will accept this booking and assign Yana to this job. Alright, it's all done. This is how I manage my day-to-day booking via JIE partner. If you need more information, feel free to contact HeyJaGa.